Greetings from Heart Care Foundation of India. If you are at risk of a heart attack, ask your doctor for an anti-cholesterol drug from the group of statins. Up till now it was thought that high cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease, and if you have high cholesterol, your doctor will prescribe you a statin. But the new latest recommendation is whether your cholesterol is normal or abnormal, whether it is low normal, even then, if you are a heart patient or at risk of heart blockages, you must be given a moderate dose of statin, which is, say for example, 20 mg of atorvastatin. Who needs it? If you are an established heart patient, you need it. If you are a type 2 diabetic, that means you are suffering from adult diabetes, you are more than 40 years of age in men or 45 years of age in women, and you have additional risk factor for heart disease. For example, if you are hypertensive or a smoker, then you need a statin. If you are type 2 diabetic men older than 50 or a women older than 55, irrespective of your risk factors, you need a statin. Those diabetics whose duration of diabetes is more than 20 years, and with that you have one risk factor, men or women, you need a statin. Or if your diabetes is more than 25 years duration, you need a statin irrespective of additional risk factors. If you have symptomatic blockages in your neck artery, that is artery supplying blood to the brain, you need a statin. If you have a peripheral vascular disease, if you have blockages in the leg, you need a statin. If your abdominal aorta, the artery in the abdomen, if it is enlarged or aneurysm, you need a statin. If you have multiple risk factors and proneness to heart attack, if your chances of heart attack are more than 20% over the next 10 years, you need a statin. And if you have a kidney disease and your kidney functions are less than 60, you need a statin. I'm talking about you need a statin irrespective of your bad cholesterol levels. Even if your bad cholesterol levels are normal, you need a statin. Even if it goes below normal, don't worry, it reduces mortality.